Please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more interested videos like this. To earn from Amazon Affiliate Marketing, you can follow these steps. Join the Amazon Associates program. Visit the Amazon Associates website and sign up for the program. You will need to provide basic information about yourself and your website or blog. Choose a product niche. Choose a product niche that is relevant to your website or blog. This will help you attract a specific audience and increase your chances of making sales. Promote Amazon products. Once you have signed up, you can start promoting Amazon products on your website or blog by adding Amazon affiliate links to your content. Create quality content. Create quality content that is relevant to your product niche and includes affiliate links. This will help you attract more visitors and increase your chances of making sales. Optimize your website. Optimize your website for search engines by using relevant keywords in your content and optimizing your website structure. This will help you attract more visitors and increase your chances of making sales. Track your earnings. Use the Amazon Associates dashboard to track your earnings and see which products are selling well. This will help you optimize your content and increase your earnings over time. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful Amazon affiliate marketing business. But if you are consistent and put in the work, you can earn a good income from this program.